Jamie from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What have we got today, Jamie?
Today we're doing the White Claw Black Cherry Bourbon Smash. So I got my stuff here. You got your stuff over there.
I do.
Okay, you're gonna start with your glass.
Glass.
Put in a wedge of lime.
Okay.
A few blueberries.
And I got my mint already in there.
You got mint. Okay, you're gonna add a couple sprigs of mint, a couple mint leaves.
Okay.
And about 3/4 ounce, half an ounce of simple syrup. So add just a little bit of that.
Okay.
And then you're gonna muddle it in your glass. You're muddling.
I'm muddling.
Muddle all that stuff together.
Muddle away. Ah, squished blueberry. That's gross.
Okay, once you've done that, we're gonna go ahead and add about 1.5 ounces of bourbon.
Okay. 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Measuring carefully as always. That's about 1.5 ounces. Enough.
Give it a little bit of a stir. Stir everything together. I'm gonna use crushed ice. I don't know what you're using.
I got partially crushed ice.
Partially crushed ice. Okay?
Yeah, like cubes.
Cubes.
Cubes of ice.
So add some of that to your cup.
Okay.
And then we're gonna top it with our White Claw Black Cherry.
Okay. And we're hoping it doesn't taste too medicine-y, right?
Well, we're hoping.
That's right. So White Claw is the hard seltzer is kind of the newest crave out there, new to Canada anyway, and it is basically just a drink that's made with seltzer, which is just carbonated water.
Yep.
Top that up.
I'm gonna garnish mine with a lime.
No garnish for me.
No garnish.
No garnish.
Mine looks like.
Okay. All right. Let's give this White Claw Black Cherry Bourbon Smash.
There you go. Got it. Cheers. It's kind of a take on a mint julep.
Ooh, that's sweeter than I thought it was going to be. Because I thought this stuff isn't very sweet. Maybe I just put a little bit too much simple syrup in mine.
Actually, mine's pretty good.
It is pretty good. Yeah. I think mine might need a little more lime though, because it's not tart enough.
Anyways, try that one out. Have a good one.